Summer's Eve, and the train back from nowhere. Man, all paper campers were both too time asleep. So we took turns to steering at the window after doors to pull down over to us. And he began to speak. He said, "Son of little light, red and people's faces, knowing what the cards were by the way they held their eyes. So if you don't mind me saying, I can see your outer faces for a taste of whiskey. I give you some advice." So I hit them my bottle, drank on that last swallow. Then he bummed a cigarette, asked me for a light. As the night got deadly quiet, his face lost all expression. You gonna play the game, boy? You gotta learn to play it right. You gotta know when to go, know when to fall in, know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your money when you're sitting at the table. Will be time enough to count when the deal is done. Greetings, love and respect, of course. And of course, this is Billy Boy, the Jamaican cowboy. And today, actually, I'm not sure if I'm late. And I'm not sure if it's true, but I hope it's not. And I got this message that one of my icons in the country world, passed off. And even without me saying his name, the great Kenny Rogers. Yes. And he's one of the persons, in terms of inspirations, one of the reasons I'm now a recording artist. Yes, in the music world. So I am hereby doing a tribute, and I hope that you all like it. Of course,